Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be trying on some TEMU wigs. I also tried on some Shein wigs. If you guys are interested in watching that video, definitely go check it out. I did love some of the Shein wigs that I bought, so I'm interested in seeing how TEMU is gonna beat those Shein wigs. Let's open it. Guys, it is so hot today. It is like 90 something degrees. I cannot. The last time I bought wigs from Shein, I tried to go the colorful route, but in today's, I try to do a little bit of a simple color, more realistic, that people will try to buy. I'm trying to see which one we should start with. I've been forgetting a lot of the things I've been ordering, so I really don't know how these wigs look like, and they did not provide any pictures in packaging. We're gonna start with this wig. With the Shein wigs, it did tell you the inches in the packaging. All it says is made in China, so let's open this and see what we have here. It comes with a wig cap. I'm actually gonna put that because I want the wigs to lay flat. Guys, I took out my braids 2 days ago and I knew I was gonna make this wig video this week, so just perfect timing, you know what I mean? And why is this so hard to open? This is the wig cap, the color. Okay. It looks so funny. But this is the wig I got. It is this beautiful, is this orange? Not really. I'm always impressed with the qualities of this wig. I mean, I know they're synthetic, but looking at it, I wouldn't think this is synthetic. It does have bangs, and it has a little bit of like blondes on the front, which is very exciting. I will provide the inches on the screen somewhere. The thing too about these wigs, you just gotta like play around with it because they are synthetic, and then you just style it how you would like it. So I'm just gonna style it first. Okay, I tried to style it. What do you guys think? Let me show you guys how long it comes. It comes about around here, but it is so beautiful. It's very unique. I haven't seen anything like this before, actually. Then the bangs, like if I put it like this too, it kind of covers my eyes, but you know, you just gotta like put it to the side a little bit. It's a little curly right there. Oh my gosh, it looks like those beach waves curls. Very cute. I will also give away these wigs if you guys are interested. I know I didn't put a wig cap on my last video, so I didn't want to give away those wigs. That's a little fun thing that I want to do with my YouTube channel. Just give away some of the things that I review if you guys are interested. It's like better quality than the one that I got from Shein. I know there were some of them that were good, but so far really good. This is how it looks up here. Very good. It's very smooth as well. You can run your hair through it, but it's gonna ruin the curls, and since it's not human hair, the curls are not gonna be back. I've been seeing a lot of girls reviving their synthetic hair, so that's very awesome. If you can do that, that's some skills. This is how the wig looks in the back. This wig is very full as well. We don't like those wigs that are just thin. You want your money to be worth it. I also love that the bangs are not short, not too long, just perfect, because you could also move it to the side, because the one thing about the Shein one, the bangs weren't hitting it for me. You know what I mean? Like they were just odd. I did notice from the Shein wigs, like some of them when I put them on, it just didn't fit my head. It was just not for me. But this one, I didn't even have to style it that much. I just put it on, and I kind of like moved this line to the middle, and it just looks so perfect. At the end of this video, we're gonna make a decision which wigs are better, Shein or TEMU. So I'm also gonna be rating this wigs. I would definitely say this is a 9 out of 10. It did what it was supposed to. Like, it looks pretty. The curls is amazing. The color looks like the picture, which is really amazing and very rare with TEMU. So let's try on the next wig. I'm not sure how this wig looks. I forgot what I ordered, but let's go with this one. This one is kind of like a brown and blonde mixed together. I guess I was into blonde hair when I was ordering this, but did I order long hair for all of them? Anyways, this is how this wig looks. Oh my gosh, I love the blonde and brown mixed together. So beautiful. But let's take this one off. I honestly don't know how I'm doing this. Like, it is so hot today, and this hair all over my face and all over my body is not it today. But I'm doing it for you guys. I don't mind at all. And I'm gonna have to restyle my hair because I'm going out actually after this video. I know it sounds crazy, but I love how it comes with this protecting net right here. Very cool. Like, I know they're like cheap, but they did care to put these on there, which is very awesome. And this is very long too. Again, they don't tell you the inches of the hair, but they did say it on the website, so I would definitely have to go back and look at the inches of the hair. But that's one thing that Shein did, which I really love. But anyways, okay, this has no bangs. Very interesting, because all these wigs have bangs and I don't remember ordering them. Like, I definitely want to see if there's pins in here, because I know in the Shein they did not have pins, which is a bummer because you do not want your wig flying all over the place. Okay, but this one has a little like adjustment thing that you can adjust inside. I don't know what it's called. Don't come for me. Okay. Oh, this looks so funny, but let's just play around with this. Okay, there is the wig. A very, very beautiful color. I don't know how I feel about this here. I don't know how to make it better. I'm not a professional with wigs. I love when I'm running my hands through it. It does feel like it won't lose the curl. You know how synthetic hair, when you run your hands in it, it just gets ruined and looks frizzy and just disgusting. I don't think this is the wig that would do that. It actually, wow. I'm very impressed. This actually feels like human hair. I'm not even kidding. I love this little blondes in the front. It reminds me of that era, 2020, when all the girls were like dyeing the front pieces and the back. I really love this hair. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Let me come a little closer. Look at the quality. Do you see me running my hands through it? So beautiful. Also, the front, it is not lace. It has this rubber skin sculpt looking thing, which I don't know. In the Shein one, it looked nice, but in the TEMU, I don't know. I don't like it. Anyways, let me show you guys the back. This is how the back looks. Do I look like a star? Bummer that they don't have pins, because also the Shein didn't have pins and now these don't have pins. That's just a bummer. Like, you can't run in this wig, you can't do like fun activities in this wig, which is very upsetting. When we're wearing wigs, we need them to be secure, and why are you guys not putting pins? You can make this a half wig, you know, like the headband wig. I can see that working out. I kind of like this color on me. I'm gonna probably dye my hair this color. Reminds me of the color that Beyonce usually has on. Guys, look how smooth it is. This wig is definitely that wig that makes you look like that it girl. TEMU is winning so far. Imagine if you did this color of hair and just how it is exactly, but in human hair. And then there's lace front and front, like. The next item is not necessarily a wig, but it's more of like a add-on half wig. Like, you know, you tie your hair and then you add on some hair in the back. So let me take this one first off. Oh my goodness, look at that. If this is more on the natural side, it definitely looks like it matches the texture of my hair. So I'm gonna take off this wig cap because I do not need that for this one. I'm gonna add it at the bottom where my bun is. And it's very long and very full. This one has a pin. I feel like this one was very necessary for it to have a pin. And you can adjust it to make it tighter. I remember back in high school, I would use these a lot to just add on to the back of your hair. Very simple. Okay. Oh my goodness. Guys, do you guys see that? Guys, let's ignore here. It looks horrible, my hair, because I went to work with it and I was like, I need to make this video right after coming back from work. I know, I'm crazy. And I love how it's so long and full. Worth the money, guys. They feel secure, which I really love. Let's try to adjust it and make it tighter. Did I break it? Okay, no, I didn't break it. Say that TEMU has a lot of wigs on there, more than Shein, especially for my skin color. There's a lot of varieties, like especially black. I know in Shein there's a lot of like colorful. One thing I also love about TEMU is the discounts. They give you discounts. They do those little playing games type of spin the wheel and then you get a discount. TEMU and Shein are both beautiful, their wigs. Okay, I probably did not secure that real well. Also, inside of this, there's like a net, which is really good. And to keep this alive, you just need to add water. This definitely feels like it's gonna last you for a long time. Especially, you can just take it off and put it on. It's so easy. Tie your hair, matches the hair, very beautiful. I'm pretty sure there was different textures, so you can look for the one that fits your texture of hair. Let's move on to the next wig. This wig is very more standing out, like you can see me from the distance. Anyways, I think this wig is actually short. Whoa, this is very, very bright. Okay, it comes with a black wig cap. And just in case if I'm giving away, I can give away this wig cap. Look at the bouncy curls. It has that rubber scalp looking. And one thing with lace, you can definitely tint it with some foundation. This one, you can't really do it. I mean, you can probably put it on top, but it's probably gonna look weird. But do we have any clip locks? No clips, but we do have this adjustable right here, which is very good. So let me... And trying out these wigs, I found out that my head is very big, so now I know if... And this is how it looks like inside. It's wild. I never tried red hair. Oh. For some reason, it does not... I don't know why I would pick this, honestly. I feel like it does not look like the picture. That's why. Maybe when I see the picture, I would understand why I picked it. Honestly, with this wigs, as I say, you just need to play around, style it. So let's see if we can do that. This hair is in layers. You can see in the front is very short. So let's try to bring that beauty. Okay, oh my gosh, what is going on? I feel like maybe this is not straight. Let's see. A whole new synthetic. This one actually feels synthetic, so I'm trying to say good things about this wig. It's long, really good. The curls are there, very pretty.